Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today is the third part of my YouTube algorithm and YouTube course. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how you can find out the rank tags. Rank tags means your video performance vector keyword. Okay, for finding this you can use these rules. This is very easy and you can find out the ranked keywords if you use this method. Let me tell you what is rank tags first. Adding relevant text to your video to help understand this content and context. Tags should include variation of your target keywords and related terms. Let me show you in 4 ways how you can identify which one is better keyword. So first of all, follow YouTube suggestion according to topics. The first one is YouTube suggestion. When you will be in YouTube, you can see the SEO tutorial. When I type SEO tutorial, then you can see there are lots of suggestion here. You can take this suggestion for your own video because these are the well performed in YouTube and these are the trending. YouTube will show you the trending keywords only which are very properly working in the YouTube. Okay, so these are the best keywords option. And another method is you can search with your seed keyword by searching here in the YouTube, and after that you can see I am searching with SEO tutorial only, and then lots of videos are opening. So I will open the first video. Okay, after opening the first video, then you can see my tool TubeBuddy is showing me the keywords of this video that this channel have been used. Okay, so just wait here and then you can see there are lots of keywords here which keywords are working properly. Look, I search with SEO tutorial, so he used this kind of tutorials or this kind of keywords in your video. That's why the video is shown to the first line in first page. So you can use these keywords, these tags. You can see here is the copy option. You can copy this and after that copy to clipboard. After that you can add here into your note. Here you can see the keywords are here. So now you can find out the ranked keywords from these keywords. These total keywords are not well ranked. Okay, so you need to find out this. How you can find? For finding this, you can see category related top channel following, or then use tools to learn about the score. So I'm using TubeBuddy. SEO course is one keyword, so I'll search with this keyword in Google and also in YouTube. Then you can see here is the keyword score of state by TubeBuddy. Just click on show keyword score. Then you can see the keyword is fair. Search volume is good but fair. I need those kind of keywords which are really working well. Okay, here you can see when I'll see here 50 plus or 60 plus score, then I will take the keyword. So I'll go to the another keyword to see the score. Here you can see I search with this again and now I'll see the keyword score. So you need to find out like me. Here you can see this is good, so I can use it. This is good, I can use it, and you can take lots of keyword from your lots of videos. Okay, you can see I search with here some of the videos and you can see there is lots of videos are coming here, and you need to use from those keyword from this kind of videos. Okay, after using this, then you can check the search volume by using TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Okay, so these are the rules to taking the well ranked keywords for your videos. This is very simple. You can see this is very simple here. So now I can show you how you can make the thumbnail. Thumbnail optimization is the best option because thumbnail needs to be optimized, because a thumbnail will help you to click on your video, to get traffic on your video, and also help you to make the CTR. Okay, create an eye-catching and relevant thumbnail image that encourage clicks. A visually appeals thumbnail can significantly impact your video click-through rate. That I have already said to you. Here you can see make a thumbnail that will force people to click on your videos. Remember one thing, you need to make those kind of thumbnails that will force people. If you see your video, you must be click on your video. This kind of thumbnail works better. So you need to attract your audiences like this. People force your audience to click your video, okay, by seeing the thumbnail. Attractive and eye-catching. Attractive, your thumbnail should be attractive and eye-catching. If your thumbnail is very pixelated and also color blind or color related issue, that will be not called an attractive thumbnail. Okay, so take a picture from your video pickup moment. If you are a creator, then you can use your own background, or this is not mandatory. You don't need to pick a photo from your videos. You can use your own photo, then you can use your own design by a thumbnail designer, or if you want to hire a thumbnail designer, then contact to us, then we can make a thumbnail for you. Okay, try to design carefully and eye-catching like this. Can you see that? This thumbnail is very good YouTube thumbnail, you can see. So we are providing this kind of services, that's why. Add thumbnail backend metadata for off-page SEO. How you can add thumbnail metadata for off-page SEO? For off-page SEO, you can see, let me show you from my file. Suppose this one is my thumbnail. Okay, this one is my thumbnail. So I will click on my mouse right button, and after that you can see show more option here, and then you can see here is the properties option. Okay, you'll go to the properties, and after that you can see here the general and also details option. Can you see the details? So you will add here your details option, then you will add here your thumbnail text. You can use your video title here, and after that in the subject line is the same, and also rating it 5-star text. What will be the text? The text will be you have researched, like this text. I copy this full text, and after that I will add them in here. Then comments, you just add your text. Okay, then the information here you can see there will be lots of information for here, details, and here is the information. The author, your channel name, data taken, the date, program name, and also others. Image you don't need to add. Okay, so after adding this, click on apply. Then you can see there will be lots of information already added here, the 5-star information. Okay, so this is the process for doing the off-page SEO for a thumbnail, because off-page SEO is better than on-page SEO, because when you will be not in online or anything, it will be work like a good thumbnail optimization. Okay, so you can use your thumbnail like this, and also you can making your video tags professional like this. You can find out the tags like me from the YouTube suggestion here, and from the another option like we already told you from the others video tags option. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to do the AI SEO for your website, then you can use Boostify. Boostify is an AI powered software or tool that help website owners who have like many kind of niche related website and they don't have any time to do the manual SEO, then they can use the Boostify. Boostify will help them to do the AI SEO. They don't need to do the manual SEO or anything. Okay, if they use this tool will help them to rank their website in the first page of first line. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video.